Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership or explicit permission. Unauthorized access is illegal. Next, locate the router and check its label for default network name and password. That often solves it immediately. Once done, power cycle the router and have a device connected to the same LAN. Make sure you have the admin username and password or proof of account with your ISP before proceeding. Those credentials let you view or change wireless settings without risky workarounds. Next, access the router's web admin page from a connected device using the local gateway IP. This is the safest way to view or change Wi-Fi credentials. Log in with the router admin account or your ISP portal. Once authenticated, you can reveal or reset the wireless passphrase. If login fails, contact the ISP for account recovery rather than attempting bypass methods. Remember, a factory reset will restore defaults, but will also wipe port forwards. Custom DNS and parental controls, document settings first. Finally, if admin access is impossible and you control the hardware, do a factory reset to restore the router's default credentials printed on its label. Once reset, reconfigure the network with a strong passphrase and save a backup of settings. If you don't control the network, stop and ask the owner or contact the ISP for authorized recovery. Troubleshooting tip: if Wi-Fi doesn't reappear after changes, reboot both router and client device, and clear the device's saved network entry before reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.